Good bit of sunshine out there here as we get into the afternoon hours. And just a little bit of a white tint there to the sky. Some of that haze showing back up. But overall, not as bad as it was last week. But we are seeing a little bit more of that haze once again, thanks to the westerly wind that is in place. Temperatures have quickly shot up since we got through the morning. It was still in the 40s at about 9:30 in many locations, but now we are easily into the 60s pretty much across the board, except for a few 50s back to the west. And notice Germantown here already almost at 68 degrees, so almost at 70 as we continue along into the afternoon. So not much of a change compared to this time yesterday, but again, we are going to be slightly warmer overall, and there's a wider look at those temperatures. Some of those 50s just hanging on in the mountains all the way up through the mid-Atlantic into the northeast. Otherwise, again, we're starting to see those 60s fill into place already here into your early Tuesday afternoon, and it is again very, very sunny. We have some of the clouds from what is Hurricane Teddy moving into the northeastern shoreline back off that direction, but again, overall high pressure is nearby enough to keep all of those clouds away from the four-state region. But like I mentioned a little earlier on, one thing that is still out there is we are seeing a little bit of that smoke start to enter back into the picture across the mid-Atlantic and northeast, so that will lead to slight hazy conditions as we go later through the day today. But again, otherwise it's going to be a nice one with warmth returning. We're not going to have any more frosty mornings now the rest of the week as this warming trend continues, and we'll have more 40s and 50s out there through the rest of the week. But we are going to see some clouds and rainfall return with that before all is said and done. But not the case today. We're just going to have that sunshine with temperatures warming up into the lower to middle 70s. Like I mentioned, frost not really a possibility. Those lows tonight going to be in the 40s and 50s. Still chilly, but again, not too bad overall as we continue to warm up. And look at this tomorrow afternoon. Even though we're getting into the first couple of days of fall now, we'll see those high temperatures back up near 80 degrees in many locations. The one thing that could prevent that would be any of the haze in the sky, limiting our high temperatures just a bit. Look at that, almost near 60 for our lows as we go Wednesday into Thursday. So a little bit of a pattern change coming in here as we go over the next several days, but not a lot is changing today. Like I mentioned, the high pressure is over West Virginia into Kentucky, keeping things dry here, but we do have to keep an eye out on what is now Tropical Depression Beta. The rainfall from that, along with the cold front, will be pushing its way toward the region as we go near the end of the week. That's why we'll see an increase in clouds Friday and Saturday. Rain showers enter in late in the day Saturday, and then we're going to have that chance at some soggy weather as we go through the end of the weekend and early next week.